Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Friday, and it's that NFP day, guys. You can see that later on around half past 2, we're going to have NFP. So the question is, will it push up or down? Here the estimate says non-farm employment change is gonna go a little bit lower. So the unemployment rate the same. Average hourly went a little bit lower also. So if, for example, if maybe we get this type of, if we get exactly those figures, just know that the market won't actually give us some crazy moves. The market wants the surprise. If maybe employment change is higher, or like seriously very lower. But if maybe the difference is just 2,000 or something like that, we just have to forget. Then we can just go back on our normal trading. So also yesterday, actually, no, I think yesterday early, let's say yesterday, after the market opened, we were expecting Apple to release their earnings, and also Amazon. So from there, I did check. There's nothing really surprising. They did beat estimates here and there, especially Amazon. So obviously, we will see maybe NASDAQ trying to push the upside, but it might not just push instantly, because we're going to have NFP during the day, right? So I think for that, I already updated you with most economic news. So for those who want to join the team, if you want to be part of the team, you can actually join the team. Everything is $21. Lifetime signals is $21. This is actually appreciation for that 6,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna keep those prices until month end. So I really appreciate you guys, and thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Like, share the videos. You can still share anywhere. My videos are for free, guys. So what's really happening today here on EURUSD? I started with EURUSD. We can easily see that, yes, since we are actually on a daily time frame, I think you can easily see that, yes, the market was aggressively pushing to the lower side, and at the end of the day, we did break out of that support area, but the market has been just consolidating around that. So it seems like the market is back on that breakout. So I don't know if maybe the market will, let me just remove that, if the market will be pushing up or down. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening there. Let's see. You can see this actually. Let me try to so you can easily see that the market just broke out here. Very nice. And then the market tried to push lower. We had a sell there, and guess what? The market is back up again. So which means the market was just playing games with us. But to be honest, that's what happens, especially before high impact news, right? So what I see here is it's actually a sort of consolidation. It's actually a consolidation because the market just broke out, but it's just playing around the same level where it did broke out. You can see on the bottom side here, the market is just pushing up, and you can see that the market was not actually going anywhere. So which means we can just wait for the news and see where the market will be going. Maybe the market will continue pushing lower, or maybe the market will change. It will depend what's really happening. It will depend on this one. You can't guess. You can't know exactly what they're going to release, right? So even gold did the same thing. I did tell anyone that, you know what, it's not really safe to trade this time. This time, especially when we're expecting the news. Maybe now you will believe. You can see that the market has been just going up and down. There was no any nice move. Remember, guys, this day it's an NFP day. For now, stay out of the market, unless if you know the direction. You see. But now things are still are quite different. We used to trade news directions, but we actually had a strategy that we use when we don't actually know where the market is going, right? So what I see here is the market is still actually on a bearish momentum. You can actually see, sorry, not bearish momentum, sorry. It's still on a bullish momentum. This is daily time frame. You can see that yes, the market has been doing what? The market has been actually pushing to the upside. The market has been actually pushing to the upside, and now the market is like pushing lower. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually touch my support before we see a very nice push. I'm expecting the market to go around here before pushing up. But for now, I think the market will just consolidate. Let's go closer again. So the market will just actually consolidate. I don't expect much, but I'm just expecting the market to, if maybe during the news, if things are going to be positive, I'm expecting the market to push a little bit lower. Or we might even see a breakout. Maybe the market will keep pushing lower, or maybe we will see the market bouncing back again. I hope you understand. So if NFP is positive, we'll be expecting the dollar to get stronger, which means at the same time the other pairs will be actually taking a hit if things are going to be positive. If NFP is going to be positive, if it's going to be negative, we will see the likes of Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD selling, or USDJPY selling. So the opposite will happen. But remember, there's also a Canadian unemployment change and unemployment rate and employment change, right? So now we are on US30. We can easily see that the market has been pushing up very nice. So yesterday we thought maybe the market will try to push lower there. You can see here. But you know what? The market was just not on the movement. The market was not there. The market did not actually want to move that much. But I hate the fact that the market was just creating some sort of fake breakouts here. Then the market pushed back. But even though it created sort of fake breakouts, you can easily see that around this area the market was not actually moving that much. The market was just going up and down, you see. So from this area, I just like to see the new, actually I just want to see the figures. Then I will say I will buy or I will sell. Simple as that. We don't really have to complicate things. So now we are actually on NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? Yeah, here we actually did a very good job here. Let me show you guys. You can still join the team, guys, for those who want the robot actually trades automatically. It doesn't really expire. You can get the robot system indicator, or signal indicator. This one is very good. It will predict what might happen after. For $21 also, you pay once. Lifetime signals, you don't pay monthly, just pay once, then you're done. You forget to just receive unlimited signals, you see. So what's really happening here is the market is actually on a bullish momentum. The market is actually pushing to the upside. You can see that it's been pushing to the upside, but we had some areas where the market was creating some very nice structures, but the market broke out. You can see the market broke out of that diagonal support area, because this support area was actually showing us a nice direction, right? But the market decided to break out. After it breaks out there, we thought maybe the market was going to go lower and continue pushing lower again. But before we do that, we knew very well that, you know what, there is another area that the market can respect. And it seems like the market actually respected that. So we were not actually quick to jump on this. So the market touched here, now it's pushing up. So we'll just see what's really happening. Maybe the market wants to adjust this trend. And if it adjusting that trend, it means we'll end up drawing our trend like this, you see. So, but for now, I can say that we can just wait for now, because maybe the market is just there to retest here before we see a sell, right? If the market pushes up above this previous support, or now it was a resistance, if it pushes above that, now we can say, okay, it's a very nice time to do what? To actually buy, right? But if not, as long as the market is going to play around, play below this support or resistance, we are going to just look for a sell. Even though we have something here, it means unless if it breaks, yes. Unless if it doesn't, sorry, unless if it breaks, then we're gonna look for a sell. If not, it means maybe the market will just try to consolidate around this. But I saw in April and Amazon, they released their earnings. They were not really bad, especially Amazon. Things were good. I forgot to change. Sheesh. I forgot to change. Sorry, guys. I will just start again. I forgot to change that, but it's fine. So what's really happening here on NASDAQ? I'll just try to start from scratch. So what's really happening here is the market was actually pushing to the upside. We had a very nice support. Guess what? The market broke out of that. And from there, we see that the market created a very nice support here. You can see that. So now the market was pushing lower, but it seems like it actually respected this level also. So what we can do is we can only look for a buy if the market pushes. Let's zoom that. Let's zoom that. If the market is going to push, about, let me just throw this thing proper. Yeah, you see. If the market is going to go or move above this resistance here, then we can say yes, we can buy. If not, it means the market will be trying to push lower, but maybe it might consolidate here. If not, actually we will see a breakout and we will actually think about selling. We will be thinking about selling as long as the market is still below this resistance. As long as the market is still below this resistance, we're expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. But this support is also very important, which means we also have to wait for that to be broken. But what I know is mostly with this side, this push here happened actually because of the earnings. I think the market will bounce back a little bit before maybe we see the market pushing up. Or maybe the market will just keep pushing lower. Something like that, you see. So, please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I really appreciate everyone who is actually watching this video. So thank you very much. If you are new here, just know that you are welcome, and we actually send this analysis like actually every day, Monday to Friday, and also on weekend for weekly analysis. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye bye.